Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something absolutely game-changing in the world of AI, Google Gemma 4. This is Google's latest and most powerful open-source AI model, and trust me, you're going to want to stick around for this one. Let's get started. So, what exactly is Gemma 4? Released in April 2026, Gemma 4 is Google's most intelligent open model family to date. It's purpose-built for advanced reasoning and agentic workflows. And here's the kicker. It's completely open source under an Apache 2.0 license, which means developers can use it freely for commercial projects. Since the first Gemma launched, it's been downloaded over 400 million times. That's insane. And now, with Gemma 4, Google is taking things to a whole new level. Gemma 4 comes in 4 different sizes, each optimized for specific use cases. First, we have the E2B and E4B models. These are the effective models designed for edge devices like smartphones. Then there's the 26B Mixture of Experts model. This one's all about speed and efficiency. And finally, the 31B Dense model, which is the powerhouse for maximum quality. What's amazing is that the 31B model is currently ranked number 3 on the Arena AI Text leaderboard, beating models that are 20 times its size. Now let's talk about what makes Gemma 4 so special. First up, advanced reasoning. This model can handle multi-step planning and deep logic tasks. It shows massive improvements in math and complex instruction following. Second, agentic workflows. Gemma 4 has native support for function calling, structured JSON output, and system instructions. This means you can build autonomous agents that interact with tools and APIs reliably. But wait, there's more. Gemma 4 excels at code generation. You can literally turn your laptop into a local AI coding assistant. It also features native vision and audio capabilities. All models can process video and images at variable resolutions, and the edge models even support audio input for speech recognition. Plus, it supports massive context windows, 128K for edge models and up to 256K for larger ones. That means you can feed it entire code repositories or long documents in a single prompt. Here's something that really sets Gemma 4 apart: multilingual support. It's natively trained on over 140 languages. This isn't just about translation, it's about understanding context, culture, and nuance across all these languages. This makes it perfect for building inclusive, global applications. Let's talk performance. On the Arena AI leaderboard, Gemma 4 31B ranks third among all open models globally. The 26B MOE comes in at 6th place. But what's truly impressive is the intelligence per parameter ratio. These models achieve frontier-level capabilities with significantly less hardware overhead. For developers, this means you get state-of-the-art AI without needing massive infrastructure. Now, here's where it gets really exciting for mobile developers. Gemma 4 is the foundation for the next generation of Gemini Nano on Android. It's available on over 140 million Android devices. The new version is up to 4 times faster than the previous one and uses 60% less battery. Google is also launching the AI Core Developer Preview, which lets you prototype with Gemma 4 E2B and E4B models directly on supported devices. For developers, this is huge. Gemma 4 is now integrated into Android Studio. You can use it in agent mode for things like refactoring legacy code, building entire apps or new features, and applying fixes iteratively. And get this, everything runs locally on your machine. No cloud dependency, complete privacy, and zero latency. It's like having an expert developer sitting right next to you. Let me show you a quick code example. Here's how simple it is to get started with Gemma 4. You can use popular frameworks like Hugging Face Transformers, and with just a few lines of code, you're ready to go. You load the model, create a pipeline, and start generating responses. The beauty is in the simplicity, but the power is enormous. One of Gemma 4's standout features is function calling. Here's an example of how you can create an agent that can search the web and answer questions. You define your tools, set up the model with proper prompting, and let it decide when to call functions. This is what we mean by agentic AI. The model can reason about which tools to use and when. You might be wondering, what kind of hardware do I need? For the 31B and 26B models, the unquantized versions fit on a single 80GB NVIDIA H100 GPU. But don't worry if you don't have access to that. Quantized versions can run on consumer GPUs. The Edge models, E2B and E4B, are designed to run on smartphones, Raspberry Pis, and even NVIDIA Jetson devices. Google has really optimized these models for accessibility. Ready to try Gemma 4? You have tons of options. You can experiment instantly in Google AI Studio or the AI Edge Gallery. Download the models from Hugging Face, Kaggle, or Ollama. Use your favorite tools, whether that's Transformers, VLLM, Llama.cpp, or dozens of other frameworks that support Gemma 4 on day one. There's also a Gemma 4 Good Challenge on Kaggle, where you can compete to build products that create positive change. So what can you actually build with Gemma 4? The possibilities are endless. Build AI-powered mobile apps that run completely offline. Create coding assistants for your development workflow. Build multilingual chatbots in customer service agents. Develop vision systems for OCR, chart understanding, or image analysis. Create audio transcription and understanding tools. Or build complex agentic systems that can reason, plan, and use tools autonomously. The only limit is your imagination. How does Gemma 4 stack up against other models? Well, it outperforms many models that are significantly larger. The key advantage is the intelligence per parameter ratio. You're getting frontier-level performance without the massive computational costs. Plus, with the Apache 2.0 license, you have complete freedom. No restrictions, full commercial use, and complete control over your data and infrastructure. This is huge for enterprises and developers who need digital sovereignty. Looking ahead, Gemma 4 is just the beginning. Google is working on expanding the ecosystem, with Gemini Nano 4 coming to flagship Android devices later this year. The integration with Android Studio is getting deeper, and with over 100,000 variants in the Gemmaverse community, innovation is happening at an incredible pace. This is truly the democratization of AI. Powerful models accessible to everyone. So, there you have it. Google Gemma 4, the most capable open model family yet. Whether you're building mobile apps, coding assistants, or complex AI agents, Gemma 4 gives you the power and flexibility you need. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more AI content. Drop a comment below telling me what you're planning to build with Gemma 4. I'd love to hear your ideas. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.